to my YouTube channel Conceptly. In today's class, we'll discuss about the difference between TCP protocol and UDP protocol. Here, what is the TCP protocol? In previous classes, we seen what is the TCP, what is the UDP protocol. Okay, the difference between TCP protocol we'll see based on several criteria. What are the several criteria here? The first one is the type of the service. What is the type of the service? TCP is what? It provides the service is connection oriented service. Okay, when you want to send the data from sender to receiver, TCP should be establish the connection between sender and receiver. Okay, and sender and receiver connection will be established, and it is the connectionless protocol. When you want to send the data using UDP protocol, connectionless protocol, that is nothing but no connection is required. Here connection is required, here no connection. And reliability, what is the reliability? TCP is reliable protocol. What is meaning of reliable? Means it is guarantees the delivery of the data to the destination. Okay, when you are sending the data from sender to receiver, if the data got error also, the same message will be repeated one more number of times up to he gets the acknowledgement. So it is the reliable. And what about that is the unreliable? UDP is the unreliable. Okay, it does not worry about the messages delivery. Okay, if you use the UDP, there is no guarantee for your message delivering. And error checking, what is error checking? TCP provides extensive error checking mechanism. If any data is lost, it will find out the data is lost, it will send the same message one more time. So it is the provides error checking. And what about UDP? UDP does not provide any error checking. No error checking. Okay, acknowledgement. TCP protocol will provides acknowledgement. Okay, it provides the acknowledgement. And what about this one? No acknowledgements. Okay, here I am writing shortcut. In examination, I have to write complete sentences. Sequence numbers. For every message, sequence number available. Here also no sequence numbers. Randomly send the messages. Randomly send according to sequence number. Okay, and the next one is the speed. And what about the TCP? It sends the lesser speed or slower than UDP, and it is high speed. Okay, header weight. Header weight is the header length is the TCP is 20 to 60 bytes, and it is the 8 bytes only. Weight is the heavy weight. It is the lightweight. And broadcasting. TCP supports the broadcasting. You know what is broadcasting? It does not support the broadcasting. Protocols. TCP protocols used by HTTP protocol as well as FTP protocol, SMTP protocol, Telnet protocol. These are the protocols used in the TCP mechanism. And UDP protocol using mechanism is SNMP protocol, DHCP protocol, RIP protocol, voice over IP protocol. These are all used in the userless UDP protocol. And applications, so stream type. TCP is the byte stream. Okay, it sends the data in the form of the bytes from sender to receiver. UDP will send the data in the form of message stream. Message stream. Okay, and what are the applications? The applications of the UDP is reliable, where reliable is required, and those cases we will use. Reliable is required, uses TCP. And what is that? Here web browsing, email, military applications. And what about the UDP? Video streaming, where gaming purpose, where speed is required, no reliability is required. In those cases we'll use the UDP protocol. These are the differences between UDP and TCP. Thank you.